1. The gift. Hello children. A gift is an object given for any special occasion when someone does something special. Gifts show affection to the people that are loved. For this reason, gifts are given. It helps make people feel closer when they are far away. Helping others improves the lives and the world around you. Its greatest reward is the enrichment and new meaning it will bring your own life. When anyone miss their belongings, if you find that thing, you must return to the owner. By maintaining this kind of good habits, you will be blessed and get some surprising gifts from others. In this lesson, you will learn about the story called The Gift.
1. The gift. Picture reading. Look at the following pictures. Can you name their hobbies? Think and tell your teacher the same. Book reading. Stamp collection. Coin collection. Bird watching. Gardening. Collection of antiques. Photography. Fishing. Grammatical awareness. Past action but still continuous.
Present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing.
Form. I, we, you, they, plus have, plus been, plus action word, verb, plus in, plural. He, she, it, plus has, plus been, plus action word, verb, plus in, singular. Examples. I have been sleeping for 5 hours. I have not been sleeping for 5 hours. Have I been sleeping for 5 hours? You have been working since yesterday. You have not been working since yesterday. Have you been working since yesterday? He has been collecting stamps since his childhood. He has not been collecting stamps since his childhood. Has he been collecting stamps since his childhood? It has been raining all day. It has not been raining all day. Has it been raining all day?
Note, this tense is used with for or since to show how long an action has been happening.
The gift. Reading. Look at the picture. The girl in the picture is Pooja. She is 8 years old. Pooja has been longing for a pet dog, but her parents have been saying no to her wish. Pooja has been pursuing different hobbies. She has been collecting coins since her childhood. She has a collection of old stamps. This she has been doing for 2 years. She sometimes does gardening, but her only wish to have a pet is yet to come true. Pooja has brought up the topic and expressed her wish to her parents many times, but the response has been a discouraging one. One day, Pooja is coming back from school. She hears the faint barking accompanied by little movement that draws her attention to a small cute dog. It is wounded and lying helpless on the road. The pitifully helpless condition of the dog moves Pooja to take it up. She takes it in her arms and decides to make it hers. The dog is quite cute. So, she decides to name it Cutie. She goes home happily, hoping that her parents would accept her wish to have a pet. Her parents agree to her request, making her to feel much happier. She takes Cutie to a nearby vet. The vet carefully bandages the dog. The dog recovers from its wounds quickly thanks to Pooja's healing attention. Pooja fears that it might run away, but to her delight and surprise, it refuses to leave her. It would respond to her calls quickly. Nearly a month passes. One day, she comes across an advertisement in the newspaper. It says, "Lost a pet dog, brown colored and small, very friendly. If you find it, please contact Mrs. Fruity." Pooja becomes very sad on reading this advertisement. She stops taking food, fearing that a day will come when she has to part with her Cutie. Her parents' repeated warnings have no effect on her. Her dad has for a long time been like an erupting volcano, but when Pooja has not been taking food, the volcano erupts. He scolds Pooja for her adamant nature. But her mother understands Pooja's feelings. She says, "I know you can't bear to be separated from Cutie. If you don't return it, that shows your stupidity. It is your duty to call Mrs. Fruity." So, she calls Mrs. Fruity and gives her address. That evening, Mrs. Fruity comes to Pooja's house. She is very happy to see her dog back. She approaches Pooja and says, "I know you have been longing to have a pet. I can understand your feelings. I have come here to give you a surprise. I am not taking the dog with me. It remains here. This is a gift from me." Pooja could not respond to this quickly. But her delayed response is, "Thank you. Thank you very much, Fruity Auntie." Say the right way. Listening and speaking. A. This section is aimed at improving students' oral communication. Encourage the student to take up the role play.
What have you been doing for the last 4 hours? I have been doing my homework, Dad. Really? You have been doing homework? Yes, Dad. Then why you have not been securing good marks? I have been working hard, Dad, but what? Your teachers have been saying otherwise? What they have been saying, Dad? They have been saying that you are wasting your time. No, Dad, I have been attending the school daily. Yes, you have been attending the school, but not classes.
Stress the right way. Listening and speaking. B. This section is aimed at improving the students' pronunciation. Stress the capital letters in the word. Pursuing, hobby, collect. childhood, gardening, discourage, accompany, condition, decide, advertisement, repeat, warning, understand, separate, stupidity. Glossary. Spell and tell.
C. Know the meanings and opposites of words.
Word. Meaning. Opposite. Refuse. Reject. Deny. Admit. Accept. Separate. Aloof. Disjoint. Joined. United. Stupid. Fool. Wise. Delay.
Postpone. Defer.
Prompt. Write the right way. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. 1. What Pooja has been longing for? Answer. Pooja has been longing for a pet dog. 2. What are Pooja's hobbies? Answer. Pooja's hobbies include collection of coins and gold stamps and gardening. 3. Has Pooja brought up the topic of having a pet with her parents? Answer. Yes, Pooja has brought up the topic of having a pet with her parents. 4. What has been the response from her parents? Answer. The response from her parents has been a discouraging one. 5. What does Pooja find on the road? Answer. Pooja finds a wounded dog on the road. 6. What happens to it? Answer. The dog is wounded and lying helpless on the road. 7. What does Pooja do? Answer. The pitifully helpless condition of the dog moves Pooja to take it up. 8. Do her parents agree to her request? Answer. Yes, her parents agree to her request. 9. Where does she take Cutie? Answer. She takes Cutie to a nearby vet. 10. What does she come across in the newspaper? Answer. She comes across an advertisement in the newspaper. 11. Does she call Mrs. Fruity? Answer. Yes, she calls Mrs. Fruity. 12. What does Mrs. Fruity do at the end? Answer. Mrs. Fruity gives Cutie back to Pooja as gift. Vocabulary. 2. Crossword puzzle. Proceed down the states with the help of pictures. Grammar. 3. Watch and match. Match the following appropriately. The first one is done for you.
Oh no, do it again. You have won. You have won.